Good morning, students. Once again, you're most welcome in our English class. As we know, in the last video, we learned about to interchange of the sentence. We started that. Within that, we did assertive to exclamatory. Now, today we are going to learn about to change the exclamatory sentence into the assertive sentence. Before that, just record what is an exclamatory sentence and what is an assertive sentence. So let's see. A sentence which expresses some strong or sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. Whenever we are expressing our strong feelings within a sentence, that is called exclamatory sentence. Every exclamatory word or sentence ends with an exclamation mark. This is the exclamation mark. Each and every exclamatory sentence has end with this exclamation mark. For an example, here we have an example. What a delicious flavor this coffee has. Means here we are expressing our strong emotion regarding the flavor of this coffee, whatever we are drinking. So here we are expressing our view that we have in a emotions form. So that is called exclamatory sentence. The second is assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence? A sentence which either states or declares something is assertive sentence. Means whenever we are going to declare anything without any hesitations, means we declare that is called assertive or declarative sentence. An assertive sentence ends with full stop and the sentence ends with always this full stop sign. Here we have an example. The snake is very fearful. Here means we declare that snake is looking very fearful and the sentence ends with full stop. So this is a two type of the sentence. First one is exclamatory sentence where we are expressing our emotions, our strong feelings, and second one is assertive sentence. In that we are declaring that any other things could be happen. Now we are going to learn to change that exclamatory sentence into the assertive sentence. For that we have few rules. Let's see. The first rule is if exclamatory sentence has been started with how or what, means our exclamatory sentence, if that started with how or what, then what we have to do? Then remove how or what. Means that time we have to remove these two words, whether how or what could be there, that we have to remove that. And start the sentence by subject and use very before adjective. And we have to start the sentence with subject and we have to use very before the adjective. So let's see with the example. Here we have the first example of exclamatory sentence. What we learn, what a delicious flavor this coffee has. First declare what is that. This is a word what we use to make this for the exclamatory sentence. Exclamation word we can say delicious. What is this delicious? Means we can say that is what a plus or what plus a plus delicious. What is this delicious? This is adjective. Then flavor. Flavor is noun. Then this coffee, that is subject, plus at the last we have has an exclamation mark. So this is our exclamatory sentence. Now we have to change this into the assertive sentence. For that what we have to do? According to our rules, we have to remove this what. Means this could not going to come within a assertive sentence. And we have to start the sentence with subject. Yes, that is this coffee. So let's see. This coffee. Then we have to use the same helping verb this coffee has. After that we learn that we have to use very. We have to use very before the adjective. So this coffee has, and here we have a, so use a. This coffee has a very, then adjective. What is that? Delicious. This coffee has a very delicious, then flavor, that is noun. This coffee has a very delicious flavor, and at the last we have to use full stop. Means this way we have to complete our assertive sentence. So what we did, we started with the subject. Yes, subject plus helping verb plus a. If we have the a, so we use a plus very plus this delicious. What is that? That is adjective. And then noun plus full stop, or we can say noun with the full stop. This way we can use this formula to convert, to change the exclamatory sentence into the assertive sentence. This is the sentence in that we have what? A. Let's see one more example, like started with how. So how beautiful girl she is. How beautiful girl she is. Now this is an exclamatory sentence. We have to change that into the assertive sentence. This is begins with how. So we have to first step, we are going to remove this how, and we have to start the sentence with subject, that is she. So let's see, change that into the assertive sentence. She. Along with the subject we have to use the same helping verb, she is. Then here we have the how, remove that. Here we don't have a or an. If we have a or an in the sentence, we have to use that, or use directly very. She is very, then adjective beautiful. She is very beautiful. Then at the last we have noun, that is girl. She is very beautiful girl. How beautiful girl she is. That will going to change. She is very beautiful girl. This way we can use the formula. We have to change that exclamatory sentence into the assertive sentence. At ahead we have the second rule of to change that. Let's see. So this was the simple kinds of sentence of exclamatory what we change into the assertive. Now we learn that whenever we are changing the assertive sentence into the exclamatory, in that we learn various kinds of other sentences, like the sentence start apart from what or how, alas, whole, brow, oh that. So if we have a such kinds of the sentence, so how we are going to change that into the assertive sentence? For that we have the rules. So let's see. The second rule is, if exclamatory sentence has been started with o, if, would, so at that time we have to that start with I wish into the assertive sentence. If exclamatory sentence started with alas, in assertive sentence we use it is sad. It is sad. It is sad. If exclamatory sentence started with hur, that means things of the happiness. It is a matter of joy in assertive sentence. If we have brow in exclamatory sentence, at that time we have to change into the assertive sentence like it is a matter of praise, and always after that we have to use the conjunction that, like I wish that, and whatever we have in the sentence, just write it. It is said that, it is a matter of joy that, it is a matter of praise that. So in this way we have to convert this exclamatory sentence into the assertive sentence. Let's see with the help of the example. Here we have the first example. Oh, that I were a bird, means here we are expressing our view, our imaginations. If I were a bird, so let's change into the assertive. Here we have the O, remove that. Whatever we have removed, that means we are going to interchange that with the what we learn in the rule, that is I wish. I wish. Here we have the conjunction that. Then I were a bird, as it is. I were a bird, full stop. I wish that I were a bird. This is assertive sentence. Now, second example. Alas, he died so young. Means here we are expressing the view of the sadness. So, at the place of alas, we are going to use it is sad. It is sad conjunction that. If that is given, then also we are going to use. If that is not in the sentence, then also we are going to use this conjunction that. It is said that, the rest sentence as it is. He died so young, and full stop. You can see here we don't have the exclamation mark, as because we have the exclamation word alas, and here we have the exclamation mark, means this is an exclamatory sentence only. And now we change that into the assertive one. It is said that he died so young. Now move for the next example, that is the third one. Hurr, my old friend has come. Here with this word, the exclamation word hurr, we are expressing the happiness what we are getting. My old friend has come. So let this hurr will going to change with it is a matter of joy. So it is a matter of joy. Then conjunction that. My old friend has come, as it is. My old friend has come. And at the last, full stop. Next one is bravo. You have done well. Here this bravo word, exclamation word, expressing the presence. We are encouraging to him or anyone, as because he done the well work. So how we are going to change? Whenever we have the bravo, that will going to change with the it is a matter of joy. It is a matter of joy. Sorry, it is a matter of praise. That conjunction that, it is a matter of praise that. The rest one we have to write as it is. You have done well. So this way we have to change the specific assertive exclamatory sentence what is started with this kinds of the words into the assertive sentence. So this way we are going to change the exclamatory sentence into the assertive sentence. So for your assessment we have the homework for you. Convert the given exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. What an intelligent girl she is. Second one, oh that I were a singer. Hurr, my mom has come after so long time. And the fourth one is bravo, you have finished your task. So what we learned today, to follow the rules, we have to change this given exclamatory sentence into the assertive sentence. Thank you so much.